Доброго вечора, ми з України. Hi guys, everyone on our YouTube channel Kubai Design. Finally, thanks to good weather and hope for pray for Ukraine overall situation, we are here, we are alive and still working for you, for our customers, for our friends all over the world. And today we ship a container to United States of America. The containers includes two different but almost exactly same 6x6 conversion Mercedes G Wagon kit to overly rebuild it with the portal axles, everything, and the OM Mercedes middle axle. But few words about the overall situation. As you can see, thanks God, thanks everyone's help from all civilized countries, we are still alive and bring the happiness as we can to our customers, and very big amount of received money we take to our Ukrainian citizen, to Ukrainian military, to help stand and pray and defend our native, our Ukraine, our love here, our families from aggression from Russia. I cannot hide details because all the civilized people know that we are here due to war. We are not hiding, and all the Ukrainians who's native in Ukraine still living there and pray and defend our native country where we have been grown and we work. We have our families, our kids. So just for them and just for you, we are trying to keep our contact and content alive, and hope to deal along with our customers all over the world still and still and still. So thanks for your support. Please reply back to our YouTube, to our Instagram, Facebook, our website, WhatsApp, Telegram, all the messengers. You can call me directly if you want somehow help Ukrainian people and Ukrainian government, business, everything, like in the economy, meaning to stay and keep our Ukraine growth. So you can contact me directly or by direct links or message info in the description. Thanks. And let's show you what have we done to keep this container going. So we are inside our container and bringing to US two already done kits for 6x6 remanufacture into 6x6 G Wagon. So what have been included? As far as you could see our previous videos, we usually include the regular stand that's for building 6x6 with your body shop, for very convenient building. The part of frame, of course the rear pickup body full 100% metallic, and the upper bar arc. So that's the basic kit which has been included for almost all needed conversions into 6x6. What do I mean? That if you want to build a real 6x6, you need to include those parts. And the additional parts like all the guards, all the like mufflers, all the carbon, everything, the fittings, the spacers, brackets, everything. But my friend, my happy customer, decided to remanufacture into G700 kit to build a real powerful 700 horsepower G Wagon. So I advised him to get the most expensive and the most relevant parts for this. So I hope when it arrives to US, I will have a good feedback from him, and for sure I will include his feedback on a video in my YouTube and Instagram videos. So along with this, we ship the T-Bus portals directly from the manufacturer to our customer, because as far as you may know, T-Bus directly ships their parts to avoid any customs clearance and everything, like blah blah blah, paperwork. So it's very easier and safer. So it will go directly to my customer, and when he receives it, of course, and he will build his 6x6 on the T-Bus portals, he will show step by step after my instructions on how to do that in your body shop, because many all over the world people and potential customers ask on how to build if you don't know how. Well, it's a very complicated process, and you cannot just rely on 1 or 2 weeks of work. It's a very hard work, and it requires approximately 3 or 4 months. And if you don't have a professional team, or you don't know how to make it step by step, like do it yourself, it could take up to 6 or even 12 months. Because the process overall requires a very professional signature. So if you don't know how, please contact me directly, and for sure I hope to cooperate with you in the further work. So we are standing near the second body kit, but please show the first one. And everything is same. So first pickup body already stands on its special welding stand, but as for second one, we decided, as the part of frame is longer more than first one, we decided to bolt on this and screw to a stand here and separate pickup body, where have we uploaded the parts inside, all the fitments, brackets, everything, also with tires and Mercedes original 6x6 middle axle. That's very important, because previously we have uploaded on our Instagram just a testing video after assembling the 6x6 on the portals with this OEM middle axle, on how it drives, how it looks. And you may believe me or not, maybe professionals know that when you install the power divider box, or inappropriate cardan shafts, or of course inappropriate axle, it runs and it's very noisy. It's very noisy. So when you drive inside a car, you can hear it with your ears, and even for 100 volume music tape on. So it's not avoidable to hear everything. And this Mercedes 6x6 middle axle is very quiet. So you have no vibrations, you have no noise, everything is good. So believe me, this is not a cheap part, but once you install this, you will need just to change oil sometimes, and that's all. After a proper installation, you just need to install it, and that's all. Thanks for your attention. Please subscribe to our YouTube Kubai Design channel, to all our messengers. If you want to cooperate with us in any way, you may directly call me, or to write to any messenger included in my description. And everything I want to say, that please help Ukraine as far as it is a civilized country, if you want so, of course. Put your likes, subscribe, put your comments, and Russian worship. Go yourself.